So guys, it doesn't get more real than this. No, it does not. This is a box I finally unpacked since I moved. It's got a bunch of dirt and dust in it because I moved, last August? So yeah, this challenge for you guys is going to be a box of garbage. You're not going to worry about donating. You're not going to worry about any of that. You're going to go around in each room and you're going to find the most random stuff, right? Like tags you never threw away, or like wrappings to jewelry, arts and crafts, or anything you can think of. Old socks that literally are no good to donate. This is a no judge anyone zone. So you judge free, guys. Judge free. Whatever I put in this box, it's going to be garbage. Might be something you think I should donate. Whatever. The challenge is for you guys to match this box that I'm about to do, just full of garbage, and throw it away. That's it. Pure garbage. No donation talk. Just garbage. If you have a channel, do this. Tag me in it. Let me know you did the video. We're going to fill a box full of garbage. Just something super simple. Nothing crazy. Let's see if we can fill this box. I'm sure that I can. And just get rid of some stuff. I'm probably not going to show you guys everything in the box, but I figured I'd start with at least the first thing. First thing is going to be this hemp oil I got. As you can see, it's super messy. I got it for my dog. She's 15 years old. I thought it might help her. She hates taking it. Hates it. Once she takes it, it works really well. But look it's all over my hand. This is a dirty bottle. It got dusty. I haven't used it in a couple months. It's got to go, so it's the first item going in. You guys are going to be angry about this one. I found these in a Michael's dumpster dive. I think there was like 4 of them. Look at what a mess they're making. They make such a mess everywhere. I'm not donating them because I'm not putting them in my car to go bring them somewhere. Because my car is perfectly clean and perfect, and I don't want glitter in my car. And legit, it gets literally everywhere. It's everywhere, and they're closed up tight. So, they're going. I know. The thumbs down are going to happen. It is what it is. Okay, if you guys didn't see my last video, it was me decluttering my beauty shelf. And that's all this nail polish, an empty wipe thing, because I used the last of those wipes tonight, and foot lotion that I totally forgot I opened and didn't finish using it. So, yeah, the box is getting full pretty quick. Alright guys, that was super simple. I ended it with a bunch of mail I didn't want or need. And I took a ton of coupons that have expired and put them in here. There's a bunch of other stuff underneath as well since the last clip in the video. But the whole challenge is for you guys to get a box or a garbage bag if you want. But I don't know, there's something really satisfying about a box. And it makes it a little less intimidating than a big black garbage bag where you feel like you have to fill it up to the top. This is just a regular size box and super simple to do. So this is a challenge, guys. Let me know if you're going to do it in the comments. And again, if you have a channel and you're going to do this, let me know. So fill a box, guys. Fill it up. It's a stinky old box that I don't need. So this is all going down to the garbage right now. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.